Introducing the automated on-site solution for hazardous medical waste disposal with the integrated sterilizer and shredder. The large amount of infectious waste produced in the medical field has to be treated properly and quickly with a professional, automated, heavy-duty, and certified medical waste solution. The integrated sterilizer and shredder complies with the recommendations of the EU and the World Health Organization. The ISS 500L processes sharps, paper, cloth, plastic, pathological waste, glass products, hard textiles, dialyzers, hard plastic tools, and frozen blood. The unit loads automatically. The average processable waste is 100 to 150 kilograms per hour with the ISS 500L unit. It has a digital full-color touchscreen LCD display, and the software is offered in a variety of languages. The fully automatic cycle starts at the touch of a button. The unit operates as a closed system with acoustic and odor insulation. The cycle begins with the heating stage. Steam is blown in, and water is injected into the chamber. Slow shredding begins in two directions. During the sterilization stage, the waste is sterilized and shredded within a single vessel. The powerful crushing blades reduce the volume of the waste down to 20%. In the exhaust stage, the valve opens and the steam flows out through the biofilter. Water is injected to cool down the chamber. During the drying stage, compressed air is blown in, then drained in alternate cycles without clogging. The average cycle time is 25 to 30 minutes. Then the unloading starts with automatic discharge with the conveyor into the waste container. The waste is rendered as non-infectious, non-hazardous, and non-reusable. It is now safe to be disposed as regular municipal waste. Perfect shredding results from normal waste, glassware, hard textiles, and hard plastic tools. The cycle is documented throughout the entire process. More than 400 units have been sold worldwide in over 40 countries.